Imagine passive income flowing into your investment account month after month, year after year. That's the power of dividend ETFs for retirement. We're unveiling Fidelity secrets today. For many, retirement means living off savings. But what if your savings could actively pay you without having to sell your assets? That's precisely what dividend ETFs aim to achieve. They are professionally managed baskets of dividend-paying stocks offering broad diversification and consistent income. Fidelity, as a leading brokerage, provides an incredible platform for accessing these powerful tools. We're not talking about simply parking money in a traditional savings account. We're discussing building an income stream that can truly last forever. Think about it, a regular payment, almost like a paycheck, but from your investments. This strategy can drastically change your retirement outlook, turning your nest egg into a perpetual money machine, truly offering financial independence. It's about smart, long-term wealth generation that bypasses the limitations of stagnant accounts. Our first essential ETF is the Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF, ticker VYM. VYM provides broad exposure to U.S. companies that have historically paid above-average dividends. It's an excellent core holding, known for its extensive diversification across various sectors and its relatively low expense ratio, making it highly attractive. It holds hundreds of stocks, significantly reducing individual company risk while providing a robust income stream for investors. Think of it as a comprehensive sweep of America's dividend champions, a cornerstone for any income-focused portfolio. Next, consider the Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF, ticker SCHD. SCHD is renowned for its stringent focus on quality. It meticulously screens companies based on financial strength, consistent profitability, and dividend reliability, aiming for sustainable dividend growth, not just immediate high yield. This ETF often features companies with strong balance sheets and a proven track record of consistently increasing their payouts, making it a definite favorite for long-term investors seeking reliable income that genuinely grows over time. It's a foundational piece for any dividend growth portfolio. Moving on, we have the iShares Core Dividend Growth ETF, ticker DGRO. DGRO specifically targets companies that have grown dividends consistently over 5 or more years, excluding those with the highest payout ratios, to ensure long-term sustainability. This ETF is explicitly designed for investors who prioritize dividend growth over immediate high yield, firmly believing that a growing dividend indicates a healthy, fundamentally strong, and profitable company. It's a fantastic way to effectively combat inflation in retirement, as your income stream potentially increases year after year, enhancing your purchasing power. Our fourth pick is the SPDR Portfolio S&P 500 High Dividend ETF, ticker SPYD. This ETF focuses on the 80 highest-yielding stocks within the S&P 500 index. While offering a higher immediate yield, it inherently takes on somewhat more risk compared to growth-focused dividend ETFs due to its emphasis on yield. SPYD is truly ideal for those seeking a more substantial current income from well-established large-cap companies. It aims to deliver significant income right now, providing that immediate cash flow crucial for your retirement needs and lifestyle. Finally, for a slightly different, more active approach, consider the J.P. Morgan Equity Premium Income ETF, ticker JEPI. JEPI is an actively managed ETF that generates income through a sophisticated combination of equities and equity-linked notes, or ELNs. It aims to deliver a high monthly income stream while simultaneously maintaining lower volatility than many traditional equity income strategies. JEPI can be a strong contender for those who prioritize consistent high monthly payouts, though its active management structure naturally means a slightly higher expense ratio compared to passive funds. Now, the true Fidelity secret isn't a single magical trick, but rather the powerful combination of these intelligent strategies with Fidelity's robust, user-friendly platform. Fidelity explicitly allows for fractional share purchases, automatic dividend reinvestment, and offers extensive research tools to help you comprehensively monitor and adjust your portfolio with precision. These essential features empower you to build a diversified, income-generating portfolio with incredible accuracy, efficiently scaling your investments over time. It makes compounding your returns incredibly simple. Imagine for a moment standing in front of a traditional bank. For decades, this was the primary, often only option for saving money for retirement. But today, the paltry interest rates offered by these institutions often mean your hard-earned money barely keeps pace with inflation, eroding your purchasing power over time. That's precisely why shifting your mindset from simply saving money in a bank to strategically investing in dividend ETFs through a powerful platform like Fidelity is absolutely crucial for long-term financial health. You are taking proactive control of your financial destiny, building an income stream that compounds and consistently grows, potentially outperforming traditional savings by orders of magnitude. It's fundamentally about building generational wealth, not merely a temporary financial cushion. Your comprehensive long-term strategy for retirement income should transcend the inherent limitations of a simple deposit account, focusing on true growth. To truly secure your financial future, dive deeper into these ETFs. Research their performance, expense ratios, and holdings on Fidelity's platform. Share your insights and questions in the comments. Let's build a community of informed, successful investors together.